TapSwap initially gained popularity as a straightforward mining app, where users could generate earnings by simply tapping their screens and accumulating in-app coins. This model attracted a dedicated user base looking for an easy, passive way to earn rewards. The concept was simple yet effective. Engage with the app daily, perform basic tasks, and watch your balance grow. Over time, TapSwap sought to enrich its ecosystem by introducing new features aimed at enhancing user engagement and potential earnings. One of the most notable updates was the introduction of the profit per hour metric, which bore a striking resemblance to systems used in other popular apps such as Hamster Combat. This metric allowed users to gauge how much they could earn per hour of interaction, offering more transparency and setting earning expectations. To further diversify its gameplay, TapSwap incorporated additional elements like gems, which could be earned through various activities or purchased for users who wanted to accelerate their progress. These gems added a new strategic layer to the app, as they could be used to unlock bonuses, enhance mining efficiency, or provide other benefits within the platform. However, despite these updates and efforts to keep the user base engaged, TapSwap's reputation began to waver. The main point of contention has been the app's slow progress in getting its native token listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges. This has led to increasing frustration among users who have invested time and resources into mining and accumulating assets within the app. The delay in listing has created a sense of stagnation, with users questioning the app's long-term viability and the true value of the coins they've earned. The lack of timely updates regarding the token's listing and clear communication from the development team has only compounded the issue, leading to skepticism and reduced trust in the platform. As a result, what began as a promising mining platform with unique features is now navigating challenges related to user confidence and project credibility. The road ahead for TapSwap will likely depend on how effectively the developers can address these concerns, accelerate the listing process, and restore trust by delivering on their promises. Why the frustration? The frustration surrounding TapSwap stems from several factors that have eroded user trust and enthusiasm over time. When TapSwap initially launched, it was seen as an innovative opportunity to earn cryptocurrency through a simple, user-friendly approach. However, as the months went by, expectations set by both TapSwap and competing platforms highlighted the disparity in progress. One key comparison has been Hamster Combat, a project that launched around the same period but managed to achieve significant milestones, including the listing of its token on major exchanges. This provided Hamster Combat users with tangible returns on their engagement and bolstered the app's credibility. In contrast, TapSwap's journey has been marked by stagnation. It has been over 6 months since the app's initial hype without any notable progress regarding the listing of its native token. For many users, the promise of earning significant value from their accumulated in-app coins remains unfulfilled. The absence of updates has not only led to disappointment but has also raised questions about the project's roadmap and the developers' commitment to delivering on their promises. Adding to the frustration is the silence from the TapSwap team. In an industry where regular updates and transparent communication are essential for maintaining user confidence, TapSwap has fallen short. Users have noted that the project's social media channels have been largely inactive, with no significant announcements or engagement to keep the community informed. This lack of interaction creates a sense of abandonment, leaving users to speculate about the app's future. Many loyal users who have spent time tapping daily, accumulating coins, and exploring new features like the profit per hour and gem mechanics feel left in the dark. The initial enthusiasm has waned, replaced by growing skepticism. Without clear communication from the developers, users are left wondering if the project has hit unforeseen obstacles, if plans for listing have been delayed indefinitely, or if there is any strategy to bring the token to market at all. This prolonged uncertainty is a sharp contrast to the experience with other projects, where transparency and regular progress reports have kept users informed and optimistic. The lack of momentum and communication from TapSwap's team has created a void that has been filled by user frustration, skepticism, and declining trust. If the app hopes to regain its users' confidence, the development team will need to act swiftly to provide clear updates, show tangible progress toward listing, and demonstrate a renewed commitment to their community. Amid growing frustration and uncertainty, there has been a development that has caught the attention of many in the TapSwap community. Recently, a subscriber of mine reached out with potentially game-changing information. a contract address believed to be associated with TapSwap's token. This sparked immediate curiosity and a flurry of questions about its legitimacy and implications for the future of the platform. Upon examining the details tied to this contract address, some promising indicators emerged. The data pointed to a total token supply of 10 billion, with distribution percentages that suggested strategic partnerships with major cryptocurrency exchanges. Specifically, the contract outlined allocations as follows: 21% allocated to Binance, the leading global cryptocurrency exchange known for its robust trading volume and influence in the crypto market. 17% set aside for OKX, a well-regarded platform for trading a wide variety of digital assets. 16% earmarked for Bybit, known for its advanced trading features and strong user base. 11% directed towards a Binance hot wallet, which could indicate liquidity preparation or reserve storage. Additional allocations to other platforms like KuCoin and MEXC, both reputable exchanges that could expand the token's reach and accessibility. On the surface, these numbers painted an optimistic picture of a significant multi-exchange rollout. Such a broad allocation could mean that the TapSwap team is positioning itself for a substantial market entry, potentially reaching a large and diverse user base across multiple platforms. For users who have been patiently waiting for tangible progress, these figures reignited hope that TapSwap could soon join the ranks of other successful projects with listed tokens. The unanswered questions. However, there's an important caveat. Despite how promising this contract address and its allocations appear, no formal announcement has been made by the TapSwap team or any of these major exchanges to confirm the details. This raises several questions that are vital for the community to consider. Is the contract legitimate? Without verification from an official source, there is a risk that this could be a speculative or unrelated contract. The crypto space is rife with misinformation, and caution is always warranted. What do the allocations mean? While significant percentages have been outlined for major exchanges, the nature of these allocations remains unclear. Are these portions for liquidity provision, listing fees, or strategic partnerships? Without context from TapSwap's team, it's difficult to decipher their true purpose. Why the silence? One of the biggest red flags is the ongoing silence from TapSwap's developers. If this contract is authentic and signals a pending token listing, why has there been no official word? It's possible that the team is in the final stages of negotiation or planning, but transparency has been lacking, contributing to the community's doubts and speculation. What could this mean for users? If this contract is legitimate and the outlined allocations are accurate, TapSwap could be on the cusp of a major turning point. A successful multi-exchange listing would not only validate the efforts of long-term users but could also rejuvenate interest in the app, attracting new users and strengthening the value of accumulated in-app coins. The involvement of top exchanges like Binance, OKX, and Bybit would provide credibility and enhance liquidity, making it easier for users to trade and potentially profit from their holdings. On the other hand, if this contract turns out to be speculative or unrelated, it may further erode trust in the project. The TapSwap community, which has already faced disappointment due to delays and a lack of communication, may become even more disillusioned without timely and clear updates. To restore confidence, TapSwap's team needs to break their silence and provide clarity. Whether this contract represents genuine progress or not, users deserve to know where the project stands. A straightforward statement confirming or debunking the contract address, along with an outline of the next steps in the project's roadmap, could be enough to ease some of the frustration and reignite hope. Until then, the TapSwap community continues to wait in anticipation, holding on to cautious optimism that the details surrounding this contract might signal the start of a long-awaited breakthrough. Before you rush to link your wallets or take any action based on this unverified data, I urge you to hold off. Without official communication from the TapSwap team, there's no guarantee that this information is legitimate. The contract address could be genuine or fabricated, therefore, proceed with caution. The reality check: should you trust TapSwap? In my honest opinion, TapSwap's credibility is questionable at best. I've personally stopped mining with the app due to a lack of transparency and trust. Here's why: inconsistent communication. Their social media presence is minimal, with no major updates or engagement with their community. Lack of transparency. Unlike other projects like Blum Mining, which maintained consistent communication about their listings, TapSwap has been silent. User neglect. While it's common for new projects to prioritize business growth, it should never come at the cost of user trust and benefits. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more updates on TapSwap and other trending crypto projects.